All right, so if you're tuning in for number 5, then you must need help with number 5, and it says, last week Brenda spent 3/4 hour on homework each day, Monday through Thursday. How many hours did Brenda spend on homework last week? Okay, so we do have Brenda, and she's doing something with her homework. So I'm thinking this is a good opportunity to go ahead and do a window pane to get all of my thoughts out on paper. And my question says, how many hours did Brenda spend on homework last week? So we're wanting to know the number of hours. So we can say, she spent blank hours. So I'm going to go back and read it again a little bit better this time for some details that will help me figure out the hours. Last week, Brenda spent 3/4 hours on homework each day. So she spent 3/4 on homework each day. And I'm going to stop and think for a minute. 3/4. 3/4 is almost a whole. Okay, so 3/4, almost a whole amount. And we're talking about Monday through Thursday. So on Monday, she spent 3/4. On Tuesday, she spent 3/4. On Wednesday, she spent 3/4. And on Thursday, she spent 3/4. Oh my gosh, boys and girls. As I write that down, I'm noticing it's the same thing happening over and over again. And when we have the same thing happening over and over again, we have repeated addition, or a more efficient way of doing things would be joining equal sets, which is multiply. And what I have going on here is I have 4 groups of 3/4. And I could simply just add this to get the answer. 3, 6, 9, 12, 12/4. But 12/4 is not one of my answer choices, so I'm probably going to have to do some other thinking. Okay? But I'm also going to make a quick estimate to see if my answer will be reasonable. It will help me get rid of some answers. So we've already said that 3/4 is about a whole. So if we're thinking about 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 hours is my answer, then what answer choices could we quickly get rid of now without doing any hard math? That's right, boys and girls. We would never want to pick 3/16. That's not even a whole hour. And we would not want to pick 1 3/4 because we said it's almost 4 hours and that's not even close. So as I go back and solve, I only have 2 answer choices. It is your job to solve and find an answer. Do that now.